Hello, my name is Aoife Jackson and I would like to talk to you today about choosing Irish. I attended Níosconnor, Bunsconnor and the Irish unit in St Catherine's College, Armagh. From first year to seventh year onwards, I attended Maharody Gaeltacht and I was lucky enough to come back and work as a kenner there. The best thing about attending these Gaeltachts was the crack and the friends I have made along the way, who have now become friends for life. I think it's really important to be able to speak Irish because it is our national language and we need to do all we can to preserve it. That is one of the reasons why I chose Irish as a subject for both GCSE and A-level, and now I am currently studying Irish in St Mary's University, Belfast. However, as I said before, Irish is just not a subject. The best thing about learning Irish is the lifestyle that goes with it and the friends you make along the way. My favourite Irish proverb is "Tír changa, tír anam." A country without a language is a country without a soul, and I live by that philosophy every day.